we are going to do experiment of volcano eruption. So can you tell me the ingredient? What do we need?
Okay.
Yeah.
Vinegar.
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 Yeah.
What?
Baking.
Baking soda.
And
뭐야?
dish soap.
This is
Okay. So first, place the small bottle in the middle of the tray, and you add the baking soda into the bottle.
okay.
Baking powder into the bottle. Into the bottle. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. More.
Okay.
Add some baking soda into the bottle.
More?
Yeah, more.
Okay.
Oops. So wait. Why it takes so long? No, I don't want it. Just use this one, spoon.
Okay.
Mm.
Maybe.
Okay.
Oh.
That's okay.
One
So,
more?
yeah, more.
I coconut.
So baking soda, add some baking soda into the bottle. More. 다 엄마가 부숴놨는데. Good. Good. And that's it. And add a few drops of food coloring. Food coloring. So what color you want?
I want red.
Red, okay. So
I
drop.
want red. I want blue.
Okay, you want blue?
Yeah.
Okay, try blue one. Doesn't matter. Color doesn't matter. So add a few drops of food coloring.
I want meat.
Okay. Add few drops of food coloring. I think three. Three enough. Yeah.
Okay, I think. One. Stop.
Three. Okay. And
Oh, three.
good. And what else? So we add a few drops of dish soap too. Two. So do you know why we put this dish soap?
I don't know.
The dish soap will make the eruption more bubbly and foaming. Wow. I think it's good. It's enough, I think. It's enough. Okay. And finally, the vinegar. No, that's it.
One.
So finally, pour the vinegar into the bottle. Vinegar.
Did you want?
Yeah. Vinegar into the cup first.
먹는 물이잖아.
It's okay.
무슨 먹는 거지?
Yeah.
그건 진짜.
This is it. Yeah.
Okay, I put in.
Pour the vinegar into the cup first.
Okay.
More.